Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
camera photo cleaners.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
For this, you'll need some kind of blower. A blower simply pushes air, and as you can imagine, that might be a little dangerous because the air might have dust or some kind of contaminant in it, and you might actually be projecting dust onto the area that you're trying to clean. And that's why it's important not to just use whatever cheap blower you happen to get free with your camera, and instead pick up a high quality product. So I have a bunch of products that VSGO sent me, and they're the company that's sponsoring this video. A few years ago I did a whole roundup and test of different sensor cleaning products and ended up using VSGO, and I've been using them now for years. A few weeks ago they approached me and said, hey, your sensor cleaning video is really old and we have a bunch of new better products now. Let us send you that stuff and sponsor a new video. And that's what we're doing now. So thanks to VSGO for sending the stuff and for sponsoring it. Their blowers are really nice. You don't have to get a junky blower. Like, look right there, you can see this actually won the Red Dot Design Award. Let's pull this out. It actually feels really nice in the hands, and you can see the sort of built-in air inlet there, exactly where it's sucking from. Now for years. Exactly where it's sucking from.
AAWipes camera sensor swabs. We have them in size 24 and 16 millimeters. They're made of superfine microfiber and they're flexible, smooth, and lint-free. Each swab is an individual vacuum-sealed packaging. Let us quickly show you how to clean. You can use a special cleanser spray and spray on both sides of the swab. Then swipe in a one-way motion, from top to bottom and side to side. And that's it! AAWipes, we make clean spotless. Spotless.